Hi there, this is Soli. Today, I'm gonna show you two different French toast recipes. One is banana peanut butter French toast, another one is coconut French toast. First of all, we need to prepare the egg mixture. I use 1 large egg and 1 egg yolk. Beat the egg before you add other ingredients. And then add half cup of cooking cream, half teaspoon of cinnamon, and a little bit of nutmeg, half teaspoon of vanilla. Then mix all together. I choose 2 different bread for the French toast. I use a baguette with raisins and lots of seeds for the banana peanut butter French toast because I think peanut butter goes well with some bread with a little bit more texture. And I choose thick sliced bread for the coconut French toast. And I cut them into half so it's easier to manage when you cook them. Then spread some peanut butter on the toast. And for the coconut French toast, I use coconut oil and some shaved coconut. Then soak the bread into the egg mixture. You don't need to soak them for too long. Just make sure they're all evenly covered with the egg mixture, and then put them into a plate to rest for 5 minutes. Then we prepare the topping for the banana peanut butter French toast. Add a little bit of butter and then put the sliced banana inside. Brown them on both sides. And then add more butter in the pan. Once it's bubbling, we can put the toast inside. Make sure you use low heat. Be patient and slowly brown the toast on both sides. For the coconut French toast, I like to brown the side without the crust as well, so it holds the shape better. Once your toast look like this, you check it with your fingers. There should be a crispy crust on top. Then it's done. Before you cook other French toast, make sure you use kitchen roll to wipe the pan. And then add more butter. Once it's bubbling, put your toast in. Use low heat, slowly, be patient, and brown all the sides of the toast. Once your toast look like this, check it with your fingers. There should be a crispy crust on top. Then it's done. For the coconut French toast, I put some shaved coconut on top, and then a knob of coconut oil, and then a drizzle of maple syrup. For the banana peanut butter French toast, I put the pan-fried coconut slices on top, and then a knob of butter, and a drizzle of maple syrup. If you like my recipes, don't forget to like my videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll show you new recipes every week. Thank you for your support. See you next week.